Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Ford Mustang Premium Mustang Club of America version in Gotta Have It green on black leather interior. So we'll just start at the back here. I'll let you have a look at the trunk. So in the trunk, it's a fair size, pretty decent for a convertible. And we've got the cover here. So this covers the convertible top when it's down, and it's nice and neatly tucked away there for you. Have a look in the frames here. As you can see, it's a very, very clean car. And we'll just close up the trunk here. Have a look at the back. So it's got the nice chrome Mustang badge there. We've got nice stainless steel dual exhaust here on the back. We've got the nice LED tail lights across the rear. And we'll just swing around to the side. So here's your rear wheel. So with the Club of America pack, you get the larger wheels, and we've got nice new Goodyear tires on there. They've got 2,000 kilometers on them, so they're in great shape. We've got painted rotors, painted calipers down there as well. So here at the passenger side, we've got power windows, we've got power locks, we've got the nice chrome finishing on the door handle as well as around the speaker. And down here, we've got the illuminated Mustang kick plate. So that works with the My Color, so you can change the color. Right now it's set to green to match the car. And I'll let you have a look at the leather. So the leather's in great shape, as you can see. No rips, no tears, no issues. Looks great. I'll just flip this back. There's another one of those LED lights down there. And as you can see, the leather in the rear is in really good shape as well. Looks great. Like the baseball stitching too. So as you can see, it's got the stitching there. Looks good, good accent. I'll just close this up. And also take note, it's got a new light bar in the back as well. So it looks great. Just close this one up. Give you a shot down the side. No dings, no dents, no issues. Looks great. The Mustang Club of America stripe there is in great shape as well. And to note, there is heated mirrors as well. So here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and nice Goodyear tires. Here we are under the hood. So we have the 3.7 liter V6. It's got 305 horsepower, so still a lot of get up and go. And it's paired to an automatic transmission. So as you can see, everything's nice and clean. Looks great under here. And we've got the nice roll bar across the top as well. So we'll just close this up, have a look at the front end. Oh, didn't close it hard enough. Let's try again. There we go. So here's a look at the front. So very clean car. In terms of stone chips, there are a couple here. So here's one here. If you can even see it, there it is there. It's been touched up. There's a little guy here, which we'll get. And, you know, a couple little minor ones over here, right? So nothing crazy, but we do want to point them out for you, let you know what's there. And on the front, we've got the nice upgraded HID headlights, and that's a part of the Club of America pack as well as the fog lights and the updated grille as well. All right, so we'll swing around this side. We'll have a look at this wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, nice Goodyear tires, and same thing here on the back. Looks great. So at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors up here. We've got power locks. We've got power windows, auto up and down for the front passenger, and then the switch in the rear there is for both the rear windows. Again, there's your kick plate. Looks great. Here's your driver's seat. So I'll let you have a look at the leather. Leather's in really good shape, as you can see. No rips or tears. Looks good. Down here, we've got lumbar adjustment. We've got power fore aft, and then manual recline. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Looks great. And let's get in and start this one up. Oh, and forgive me, I forgot to check, but I'll let you have a look. There's the books there. So they are there with the car. And we'll just close the door. All right, so in terms of kilometers, we've got 74,779 kilometers. We've got no warning lights on the dash. Everything looks great. We've got the track apps with this car. We also have settings, information, fuel economy, trip, and gauge mode. So those are all there for you. Those are controlled by these buttons here. We also have cruise control. And then on this side, we've got voice control, telephone control, music control, volume control, and track change. So that's all there on the steering wheel for you. Over here is our radio. So we've got the shaker radio with Microsoft Sync. So that's all there. And I'll just move the shifter out of the way so you can see. So we've got our heat and AC control, and we also have heated seats down here. So that's all there. There's your traction control, 4-ways, and trunk pop button. We've got the e-brake here. I'll flip this up. We've got cup holders in there, and when I turn on the lights, they illuminate as well. And we'll flip this up. This has USB port, line in, and 12-volt socket. So that's all in there for you. And we'll go ahead and put the top up so you can see that in operation as well. And we'll just stop it here. I like to tuck these away when I put it down. There it is. Locked in. Locked in. There we are. And we'll go ahead and put the windows up. Perfect. So I got all the windows up, and we'll just hop out with it running and let you have a look. Nice little growl to it. Start at the front, let you have a look at the headlights. Looks great. We'll have a look at the top here. Top is in great shape. No rips, no tears, no issues. I'll just swing around this side. You can see all sides. It's got the glass in the back with the defrost, which is great. And again, no rips, no tears. Everything looks great on that roof. There it is running from the back. Looks great. And we'll just swing around to the side. There you have it, folks. 2014 Ford Mustang Premium Mustang Club of America, and gotta have it green, here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.